Hello besties, welcome back. As you can see, we have a pretty exciting package to unbox together. Today's package is from Princess Polly. A huge thank you to them for working with me on this video. But before we get into that, it is now September, which in Australia means we are in spring, which just makes me so happy because I'm such a spring summer girl. I don't like winter, it's not for me. But for me, spring is probably my favorite season in terms of fashion. I love wearing pastel colors, I love wearing florals, I love cute dresses, but it's still like sometimes cold enough to chuck on a nice cozy sweater. Like, I just think it's the perfect season for the type of clothes that I like to wear. So let me give you some Pinterest inspiration of some outfits that I'd love to wear during the spring and the inspiration behind a lot of these picks. I thought this would be fun to open together and we can have a bit of a first impression situation going on. So let's see what I have for spring from Princess Polly. I also don't know why this box is so big. I don't remember ordering this many things, but ooh, okay, I'm intrigued. And of course, I have to start off by letting you guys know that I have a new 20% off code. My code is Rachel20 if you guys want to save some money. I'll leave the code link down below. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. And I'll also link all of the items that I mentioned today, as well as the Princess Polly website, in case you guys want to do a little shopping for yourself. The first thing I see is not the material that I thought it was going to be. I'm so intrigued. This is the first outfit. I thought it was going to be a bit more of like a knit material, but it's more of like, I don't even know, almost like a bit of a towel. Yeah, I feel like terry toweling kind of material. I think that's the right term. I love that it looks kind of ribbed, but this is just a very simple, so soft little bodycon, like a midi dress. It'll probably be quite long on me because I'm just so short. This is called the Lewis midi dress in beige, and I got the extra small/small. I will leave all my sizing down below, but I thought this would be a really nice transitional piece because you can layer it with a cardigan or a sweater over the top, but you also don't have to wear that. You can just wear the dress as is, and I'll be able to wear this into summer as well. I just really like the shape and the color of it. I just can't get over how soft it is. Okay, what do we think? This is really cute. I was really intrigued to see how I would feel about the material once it was on my body, but it's just really soft and comfy. I can definitely see myself getting so much wear out of this. I think this will also look really nice with like a white collared shirt, just like unbuttoned over the top. Let me go get one to show you. Like, I feel like this is a really cute vibe, especially for like a casual lunch, kind of like on holiday vibes. I do have a few black items in here, which I feel like that's not very spring of me, but we still have those cooler evenings, and I thought this would be a really nice top to wear out for dinner or something like that. It's a bit hard to see. You guys will see it better in the try on, but this is called the Armani long sleeve top in black. The material is actually a lot thicker than I thought it would be. It's more of like a sweater kind of material. I've seen a few tops like this recently and I just feel like they look really flattering. So again, I thought this would be really nice with just a pair of jeans, out for dinner, whether it's casual or a bit dressy. I feel like it could go either way. Love. What do we think? I love the shape of this top. I feel like it looks so fancy, but the material makes it a bit more cash. So again, dress it up, dress it down. I could definitely see myself pairing this with like black Archer pants if I wanted a more dressed up look. 10 out of 10. This next piece, I have had my eye on these pants for the longest time, but they've either been sold out or I've convinced myself out of it, but I finally bit the bullet and I got them. These are the Miami Vice pants in beige. They are just like the classic kind of like cargo sort of style of jeans that everyone has been wearing lately. They come in so many different colors. I got the beige because I just feel like it's quite timeless. These are quite large. I know that Lioness is a bit difficult with their sizing in terms of like just being able to get it right. So I might have to exchange these for a smaller size, but we'll see when I try them on. I got a small, which is my typical jean size. Honestly, maybe it's not that big. Maybe it just looks big. I know that people wear them low rise. I don't know if I can get into that. If I do need to return it, I'm not really worried about it because returns to Princess Polly are literally the easiest thing ever. Okay, so I think they're a bit too big. They definitely give the low rise, but even with the low rise, they're still like, I would still prefer them to sit even slightly higher. Like, they're gonna literally fall off my body. But also in saying that, I think I just prefer high rise. I think I'll exchange them for the smaller size because there's a lot of material going on here. But even then, the length of these, for my taller girlies, these are for you. They are not for the 5'2" community, which is me. I can't get over how long they are. They feel so funny. But I think if I size down, I honestly might even get them tailored because I love how they look. The low rise is not for me. Cover the belly button, please. But yeah, I think they're really cute. if they fit. I totally forgot about this. This is a little two-piece set. I feel like I'm gonna wear this to death over the spring and summer. So this is called the Chloe set and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I actually already have it in pink and white, like the pink and white stripe, but I got it in black because I just thought this would be such an easy thing to just like see hanging up in my wardrobe, grab it out, don't even have to think of an outfit, but it looks so put together. So we have some little shorts. Who doesn't love a pair of like black linen-y flowy shorts? I'm gonna wear these with so many other things as well. And then the top that comes with the set is just a really simple button down. I think I got this in a size 8. So hopefully it's like a little bit oversized, but not too oversized, just kind of fits really flowy and baggy. But I just think this will be, I'm really looking forward to this. And if I like how this one looks and I get a lot of wear out of this, I can imagine myself buying the beige, the white, every other color that it comes in, because it also just feels so nice and breathable as well. So here is a Chloe set. I'm not gonna lie, I expected it to be a little bit more like slouchy and oversized because I did size up 1. So if you want a really like slouchy, oversized fit, I would definitely recommend sizing up probably 2 sizes, maybe even 3 potentially. So this is an 8. Even the shorts are quite little, which they're like fine, but I wouldn't mind them a bit more oversized. And since they have the drawstring, if you do end up going up a couple sizes, you can just tighten the drawstring a little bit and make them fit you. I still feel like I can get so much wear out of this because it just looks so put together, which is what I love. I love easy outfits that you just chuck on and they look so nice. And I feel like if you dress this up with a bunch of gold jewelry, especially because you've got this like open neck, layer the necklaces, chuck on some rings, stunning. Okay. Color. I saw this dress months ago and I've had my eye on it ever since, and I'm so excited to finally have it in my life. You cannot tell me this is not the cutest little dress you've ever seen in your life. Look at the pattern. Little tiny like colorful flowers. They're almost like daisy vibes, but different colors. It's just strapless, tight fitting. They also have this dress in a million different colors as well. I think this is the only pattern they have, but they have like block colors. It also has that little like rubbery, I don't know what it's called, rubbery material kind of edging, so it's gonna stay up, which I am very thankful for. But I really want to style this with just like a white button down, kind of like this same style top from the previous set that I showed you, but white, some sunnies, some sandals, probably platform sandals, and I feel like that will look so cute and so put together, but so easy. And this is also really soft, so I think it's gonna be really comfy. I can see this becoming a real favorite in my wardrobe. So here was my vision. Little like button up over the top just to kind of give it a more casual vibe, because it is just like a bodycon dress, but I want to wear this for like going out for breakfast or just like hanging out with my friends, going on a picnic, whatever it may be. And I feel like the shirt over the top just gives it that more casual vibe. I also really like the length of this. Like it's not too short, which is sometimes a bit of an issue with bodycon dresses. I just like sometimes get worried with tight fitting dresses that they're just going to be like so tight that you can't move in them, but this one is super soft, super stretchy. I'm not going to have trouble walking or anything like that. So I can just imagine me like going to a meeting, maybe like a little pink handbag, carrying my laptop, like, hey guys, you know, so spring. I love. Next we have a play suit. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone in terms of just like the style, but I feel like it could be one of those things that I end up living in over the spring and summer. This is what it looks like. So it has little shorts and then it has long sleeves, and I love these sleeves because they're wide at the end, so they're gonna have that really like flowy kind of wrist to them, which I love. But again, I can totally see this outfit being one of those things where you don't even have to think about it. You just chuck it on in the morning and you look so put together. Hopefully you guys can tell the kind of material we have here. Isn't that so beautiful? It's got almost like waves to it. I don't know, I'm just obsessed. I saw it and I was like, I need to have that. These sleeves, I literally feel like I'm gonna fly away. See ya. No, how cute is this? It kind of feels like I'm wearing like a big shirt or like pajamas or something, like so comfy, but also I feel like I look quite, I don't know what the word would be, almost like luxe. Like I'm wearing my fancy pajamas, but I'm like turning up to a breakfast date or something. Or even literally like a birthday party. Like you could totally wear this with heels and like dress it up. You could even belt it if you wanted a bit of a figure, I guess. Like you just wanted to show your shape a bit more, but I kind of vibe with the whole, am I wearing my pajamas, am I not, you know? These sleeves, I love that. And I can't get over the pattern, the material. It just makes such a difference to the piece, I feel like. Another top that I've had my eye on for the longest time is this one here, but I feel like it's been sold out so many times. This is called the Louis pleated shirt in sage. I got a size 6, and it's just this beautiful button up top. I can see myself wearing this with like white jeans probably, and I could totally wear this to like a business meeting or to church or to a nice lunch out with the girls. Like, it's something that is really simple but can really dress up an outfit. I could also just obviously wear it with jeans and dress it down a little bit more. It also has the sleeves kind of similar to the last play suit that I showed you, where it doesn't taper in at the cuffs, and I just feel like that looks so angelic and just like summery to me for some reason. It's also such a cool material. I wasn't expecting it to be so like thick almost, but I love the color. I think it's the most like spring color ever, just that beautiful sage green. Okay, I am obsessed with this. I love the texture. I feel like it just looks so interesting. I'm not exactly sure how I want to wear it yet. You could obviously wear it completely tucked in, which I think is such a nice look. Oh my gosh, these sleeves, I love them. You could obviously wear it untucked, you could do the half tuck. I think this would look really cute, even with like a green skirt. Go like full monochrome. I just think the flow and the movement of this top is stunning. I love it. Especially with my nails right now, like how spring is this? I could totally see myself wearing this to like a nice lunch out. Pink bag to match the nails. Obviously the green shirt to add some color and some like white heels or white sandals. So fun. And lastly, for clothing, I have a bolero. These have just been so hyped up recently, and I love it, especially for spring, because again, it's such an easy transitional piece because it's not a huge heavy sweater, but it keeps your arms warm. If you don't know what a bolero is, it's literally just like half a cardigan, I guess. I'll try it on right now because this is kind of the top that I thought it would pair well with. I also have this bolero in green and I love it, but it's just not as wearable as I originally thought. And you kind of just wear it off the shoulder. Well, you can wear it on the shoulders as well, like this, which I think looks so cute and so fun, but you can also wear it off the shoulder, which I think is my preferred look. And like I said, keeps your arms warm, but it's not like a full jumper. So it's also really nice if you have a top that you want to show off a little bit. I mean, this one's very basic, but if you had a really cute top that you wanted the attention to focus on, but it's still a bit cold, so you needed something to keep your arms warm, this is perfect. But I can totally see me wearing this outfit like literally daily. It's just so easy and so comfy, and I just think the off the shoulder look is really, really cute. I love showing off décolletage, which I'm not doing at the moment, but I think it's just a really like flattering, feminine, beautiful thing to do. I think I'm just gonna keep this on for the rest of the video now, but I'm obsessed. I kind of want it in black too. Also, Princess Polly, if you're watching this, you need to stock this in white because I don't think they stock it in just like a pure white. They have so many other colors. They have green, they have stripes, they have black, they have brown, they might have some others, but please get a white. I will buy it straight away, I promise. Anyway, moving on to our last item. I have a pair of shoes. I feel like I've said this so many times, but I've had my eye on these shoes for so long, and I was kind of umming and ahhing about them for a while, but I decided to bite the bullet. I decided to finally just get them because I feel like I actually am going to get so much wear out of them. They remind me of something Lizzie McGuire would wear, but I've kind of been vibing that recently. So this is what I got. They're just these black platform slides, sandals, whatever you want to call them. These ones have white stitching. Princess Polly have so many very similar styles, so I'll obviously link these ones down below, but if they're out of stock, I'm sure they'll have other ones that are quite similar. They also have a few other colors in this similar style as well, which I would love to get my hands on like a white pair or a beige pair as well if I end up getting a lot of wear out of these ones. But I can just see these being such a staple. There's a lot of times where I have something where I don't really want to wear heels, but it's probably the most appropriate footwear to wear, and I feel like I could definitely get away with wearing a pair of shoes like these. They also have some that are a higher platform and some that are a lower platform. I feel like these are kind of in the middle where they could just be really casual or also a little bit fancier, but I'm obsessed. I love how these look. Just so classic. Again, giving major Lizzie McGuire vibes, but I'm kind of vibing it. I love. Oh, I totally forgot. I also got a little ring set. It was just in the little shoebox here, and I totally forgot. I actually really like Princess Polly rings. I've had a few little sets in the past and I end up just wearing them to death, and I feel like I wear them for a really long time before they get tarnished or anything like that, even though they're not like gold plated or anything, I don't think. This is a little set that I got. I'm just gonna take off the rings I'm currently wearing and I'll show you how I would style these new ones. So this ring set was specifically called the Recycled Metal Love Parade ring set, but again, I'll have a link down below for you guys. I feel like with a ring set, you usually like one or two, but then you don't really love the others, but I literally love all of them. So this is what they look like on my hands. you can see kind of the different styles. But that is everything that I have to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this little Pinterest inspired spring haul. I love doing first impressions with you guys too, because you get to see my raw reaction with what I really think of each item. Like I mentioned at the start, I will have all of the specific items that I showed you linked down below with my sizing, as well as a Princess Polly website and my discount code, which is Rachel20, and you guys can use that to save 20% off. If you do buy anything, please send me an Instagram DM. I would love to see what you guys choose. I feel like I get so much inspo from you guys as well, tagging me in outfits and things that you buy, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even see that on the side. I'm gonna go order that right now. But I'm rambling, so I'm gonna stop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Goodbye.